everyone, welcome to today's video. We've got a little guest here. Emma, come here, say hi. Today we are opening up Ipsy and Ipsy Plus for April. And you guys, again, Ipsy just totally nailed it with the bags. These are so cute. Okay, let me show you one at a time. They're both very light colored, so I feel like, hopefully you can see I don't have any lights on, I'm just using natural light. But little cute daisies, and look at, oh my god, I love the bags. I feel like I've been saying this every month. So this is the $12 Ipsy bag and the like $28 Ipsy Plus. I love them. So cute, perfect for spring, totally has like Easter feels. So I will link Ipsy down below for those who are interested in subscribing. So like I said, the prices are ready, and they also have the seasonal box, so we're just opening the two. Right? Seasonal Ipsy X. Wow, I'm like a little tired today. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I will link Ipsy down below. This was sent to me in PR, but not sponsored. Thank you, Ipsy, for sending me these adorable bags. I actually didn't peek at what's inside, besides one thing I noticed, because I had to put it inside this bag, and it was so cute. But yeah, before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you love them too, I hope you can start subscribing before you go. How about we start opening with the smaller bag here? I seriously think this is the cutest thing ever. And where's the card? So their theme is all about keep growing, and it talks about reuse, recycle, and repurpose. So I absolutely love the theme. And then they talk about in honor of Earth Day, like repurposing these bags, and they're so cute. Like there's so many fun things you could do. I used to actually feature a new idea for how to use your Ipsy bags in my videos. Do you guys remember that? I should start doing that again. Please leave a comment down below how you repurpose, how you use your Ipsy bags after you get them. Like, do you still store makeup in them, or do you use them in other ways? I would love to know. But let's get started. So the first thing here is by Way. Oh, cool. So they're making body products now. Ooh, if it smells just like their hair products, that'll be awesome. But this is their body cream. Smell it. With a little safety seal. Oh, it smells like daisies. Oh my god, they curated these boxes so well. It seriously does. So it kind of smells like their hair product, more like daisy, like floral-like. Nice. It goes perfectly with the theme. And then, ooh, by Foxy Bay, their Insta Bay 3-minute hair mask. I've gotten this before, or at least some other hair mask from their line, and I really liked it. It left my hair super soft. My hair is looking a little messy. I'm kind of like, you know, I'm in my jeans and like my Elton John shirt, and I did brush my hair, but I look a little sloppy. I apologize for that, but it's Saturday. It's cool. Next up, we have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I have not tried this. I've tried a lot of, or maybe all of the other products in the watermelon line. I am excited to try this out, though. I like niacinamide, so yeah, it makes your skin glowy and brightening. It can help with like acne scars and stuff too, which is awesome. We have 2 products left. Let's start with this. Oh, it's a mini mascara. I love getting little mini mascaras. This is by Wonder Beauty. Their Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I have used this before, and I liked it. And last but not least, I think this might be a full-size lipstick. Let's see. Carmella Silk Matte Long-Lasting Lipstick in Divine. I like the name. So yeah, $12 bag, and sometimes you get full-size. Ooh, cool, it's magnetic. Ooh, this is a pretty like nude color. I feel like this would work for a lot of people. Awesome. I don't know why I feel like smelling it. I think it smells pepperminty. Is that why? Yeah, it does. Maybe that's why I felt called to smell it. There actually was a scent, so I'm not that crazy. But that was everything in the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now let's open the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, and let's start with the item I noticed and thought was so cute. You guys, these are Ferro brushes. And they have handles that look like the daisies on the outer bags. Like, I think these are so cute. Here, let me take them out and show you. I don't know if I'm going to put these in the giveaway or not. I don't need any more brushes, but they're so cute. Like, oh my god. Which, by the way, if you guys are new here, I pick a random subscriber every month, and I send them a bag full of goodies. Look how cute these are, though. Oh my gosh. So it looks like we have face brushes and maybe one eye brush. Oh my god, I love them. Let's see what it says here. Sorry, my phone's going off. Does it say on here? We have, oh, it has numbers on them, but it looks like we have like kabuki brush, blender brush, like a brush for highlight. And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe that's like for blush too. I don't know. You can use brushes any way you want, but the highlight of the show is the handle hero. So cute. I love them. Like, right? They really courage as well. You guys saw her in the beginning. She gets really hyper when I film. I don't know. It's kind of cute though. Let's keep going. Looks like we have a palette here. This is by Misho Beauty Blush Palette. Let's see what this looks like. It has the shade names on the back. Ooh, One King Crush, but they're very pretty, like purple tone. I can probably press that back in. And it actually didn't spill at all when I was holding it up. That's pretty awesome. I mean, there was a cover over it. And there's a mirror here, too. Wow, these two shades on the bottom, I don't even think that one on the top would work very well for my skin tone. But these two on the bottom, like, look really pretty. Awesome. We have House Laboratories La Riot Gloss in the shade Blaze. My hair's really bugging me every time I see the monitor. I'm like, ah! It's okay. It's okay. Do I have this? Here, I'm going to show you the bottom of it to see the color. It matches the palette. It's like a mauve type color. That looks really pretty. I don't know. I can't notice the smell. And then we have two more items to go by Buddha. Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. Oh, nice. It has triple action. It's a clay mask, foam cleanser, and a deep exfoliator. I've been having breakouts, and in the past, Tea Tree has worked for me. I should try that and see how it goes. I like that it has aloe with the tea tree, so it shouldn't be as drying. And it's eco-friendly. It has natural eco beads. So the exfoliant, like before, I think it's banned now, but they used to have these little beads that were really bad for our water systems and the fish, oceans, us. But these, it's verifying in here that they're eco beads. So totally safe for the planet and safe for your skin. And then last but not least, we have HP Midnight Black Liquid and Kohl Liner. Oh, cool. So one side there is kohl liner, and then the other is a felt tip, like liquid. Yeah, felt tip it looks like. And it is in black. I like that that's dual-ended. Cool. Because I feel like a lot of people just use felt tip on the top, and then the other kind, like crayon kind, or kohl liner on the bottom. Am I right? I think so. But that was it, you guys. That was everything for my Ipsy. I think it was really cute. I mean, like, the highlight to me was, like, the bag, or adorable. But I think the items that came inside are pretty cool, too. I think the brushes I got the most excited about. And then I think the gloss and the, like, exfoliator 3-in-1 thing on tea tree I will definitely use. And I'm excited to try the niacinamide drops, too, by Glow Beauty. Oh, and this smelled really good. The Way body cream. I think that's cool. They have body like care items, or have they always? I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Let me know what you're getting in your Ipsy this month. Let me know what you're doing this weekend. Let me know how you are. Thank you again for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much. See you tomorrow.